Hello guys, this is DJ here and going to do a review of my custom season 3 Ashoka and a black gunship that I promised you. Start off with Ashoka. I think she's pretty cool. The face decals. Cause my brother lost the real face, it's a harsh thing. Custom lightsaber here. Custom lightsaber handle there. Why won't this camera focus? Ah. Okay, that's done for the part of Ashoka. Now get out. Okay, now my costume. It's a cool gunship. Okay, just start with my palette, Warthog. It's pretty cool. Wait, I'm just gonna put this like that. Yay, Warthog. And Warthog, where are you going, Warthog? Warthog, hey, Warthog. Where are you going? Wait. Where are you going? I'm going to escape from the crashing gunship. Yay! Okay guys, escape pod. Just don't use any space. Okay, I'm done with the cockpit. This one launcher for hard suit. Give credit to Artifacts Productions. It's the jet engines and a gun. And there's this way for the fuel, and this measures it. And the inside, it's my custom clone command sniper. His name is Basso, because he likes the Basso droids. Wait, here he is. It's not finished yet. If you want a tutorial to the sniper, just look at the comment below and please give a tutorial on the sniper, and I will give a tutorial on sniper. Clone Buster, same clone head, and it's not a clone head. I must go and say clone head. Funny. Done with that. Go to my custom admiral. No name yet. Here's my custom admiral talking to the hologram and the host there. Okay, like the interior is hollow and a bigger place. I think you can put 6 clones here. Okay. At the top view, you get your little details. Like this one. And this one too. I don't know what's for this one. To put it there to put more details. Okay. I think this might be it. It's my review on the custom black gunship. See you bye. See you bye, Clone Trooper Hardsuit. Bye. Okay. This is TJ. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.